was blown away with just how well they simulate the equipment. I'd never been in a dozer before. I'd been in an excavator before, Mini X, but not a dozer. Got in the dozer, pretty much knew exactly what to do.
The controls they're using are so realistic to them. When they sit into a real machine, it's like, oh, they've been here before. The controls are exactly the same other than that. And they're very familiar, they're very comfortable.
Going from a simulator that you're very used to and then getting on a big piece of equipment is a little intimidating for kids and instructors as well. But once they get in the machine and they get used to the machine, they pretty much take to it like a fish to water, and it translates very, very well.